In today's video, I am going to teach you how to transfer photos from iPhone to laptop. By the end, you'll know the simplest, most reliable way to copy your pictures straight to your computer using just a cable and File Explorer. First, connect your iPhone to your laptop with a compatible cable. Most recent iPhones use either a Lightning to USB or a USB-C to USB-C cable. Use a good, data-capable cable and plug directly into the laptop rather than a loose hub for the most stable connection. Next, unlock your iPhone. If a prompt appears asking whether to trust or allow this computer, tap Trust or Allow. Then enter your passcode if requested. This permission is what lets your laptop read the photos on your device. If you don't see the prompt, your phone may already be trusted. If later you don't see the device in File Explorer, briefly reconnect the cable with the phone unlocked to trigger the prompt. On your laptop, open File Explorer and click this PC. You should see your iPhone listed among your devices. Double-click it. You'll typically see internal storage. Your photos and videos are arranged into folders, often grouped by date or in numbered folders. This is normal and helps keep large libraries organized. Open the folder that contains the images you want. To copy everything in a folder, press Ctrl-A to select all. To pick specific items, hold Ctrl and click the photos you want. You can also click the first item. Hold Shift and click the last to select Arrange. When you've made your selection, either drag and drop those photos into a folder on your laptop such as Pictures or right-click and choose Copy. Then right-click in your destination folder and choose Paste. Dragging or copying will create copies on your laptop. Your originals stay on the iPhone. Give the transfer time to complete before moving on. Keep your iPhone unlocked during the copy so the connection doesn't pause. If you are moving a very large number of files, transferring in smaller batches can make things smoother and easier to manage. If a file is in use or the transfer pauses, wait a moment and try again. Stable cable connections and avoiding other heavy tasks on the laptop help a lot. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.